Look at my next requirement. I want to write one more batch Apex. Customer reviews. Now what is my requirement? Fetch all the records from the customer object and or delete the records. Fetch all the records from the customer object and hard delete it. Now the point is, in the customer object we have 7,000 records. We have how many records? 7,000 records. When you have 7,000 records, what did it say? Hard delete. When you say hard delete, what should you do? Delete. Then, when you are deleting, how many records you are deleting? 7,000. Then from the recheck event, I am again deleting the records. Now, let us say there are 17,000 records. Then what I am doing? It is hitting more than 10,000 records. When there is a possibility of crossing more than 10,000 records, within a transaction, how many DMLs we can make? How many DMLs we can make? We can only make the DML operation of how many records? 10,000 records. If it is more than 10,000 records, it throws exception. So what I am doing? I am going like a batch Apex. How do you implement a batch Apex? Local class. Now tell me, implements database dot batch. Database dot batch. Then we are going with what is the first method? Local database dot body locator. Database dot batchable context. Database dot batchable context. So what should I do was get all the records. What is the query you are writing? Query select ID from customer. ID is enough because we are trying to delete, right? ID is sufficient. Then how we will give? Return database dot get query locator. Database dot get query locator. How do you give? Then let us go to the next. Global void database dot batchable context. List of which object? What I am doing? Delete scope and database dot empty recyclable. Database dot empty recyclable. I want to hard delete the records. Delete the records and empty the recyclable. Then what I am doing? Global void people have followed this. Start method to fetch the records, execute method to write the logic, finish if you want to send any email. Now how will you execute? If you want to execute only once, I will do it like this. If you want to execute number of times, I will go with StudyLead. You want to run it only once or you want to run it multiple number of times? You want to run it multiple number of times, StudyLead. You want to run it only once, you can go with this. So how do you write boss? If you want to execute a batch Apex, what should I do? First create a cd equal to then id job id equal to database dot execute. If I don't give the size of the batch, previously I gave a size called 5. If you don't give the size of the batch, what is the size of the batch now? By default, you will take 200. If you don't take the size, by default, you will take it as 200. If you want to give any size, 1 to 2000 you can give. If you don't mention the size, 2000. If you don't mention the size, it will take what? 2000. If you mention the size, it will take whatever the size you mention. The size can be anything from 1 to 2000. If you don't mention, it will take the value by default 200. Right. I give the size, execute. Then how do you track the status? One is I can write a sample query on async apex job. Or else I can go to what? Then how many batches are there? Go to customer and see. Data is removed. It's a customer account object. Okay. People are clear with this format. Right. Now, people are clear with this. Records are done. You are seeing the account data, not customer data. People are done with this example? Right. Let us go to the next example.